Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So I bought a new headlight for my bike. This one right here. This is a really cool headlight by Custom Dynamics. Sorry, the lens is a little bit foggy. So this headlight is from Custom Dynamics. Most of y'all already know this brand. This is the Shark Demon headlight. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to show you guys how this headlight really works or performs in night riding. So as you can see, it is right now night. I installed this headlight a few days ago and I really like this headlight. So it looks really cool and it's really bright and it looks very aggressive, as you can see. I still love the looks of the stock headlight, but I want to upgrade my headlight because this headlight from Custom Dynamics, the Shark Demon, this one is really bright. So I think this is in low beam. I think this is 3500 lumens. I think the stock headlight is about 2000, 2500. I don't know. Anyways, this headlight is really bright. So I bought this headlight because I want to really stand out on the road for safety reasons, especially myself as a motorcyclist and maybe yourself too. So that's why I bought this headlight by Custom Dynamics, the Shark Demon. So yeah, just let me show you how it really looks when I turn the lights on. So yeah, this is really bright. I really do love this headlight, man. This is insane. Look. So it is today a little bit misty and cold. Some people say that this headlight sticks a little bit too much out, but I think it's okay. You know, I really love it. I think the fairing looks better with this headlight. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I think it looks way better. This headlight was very easy to install because this is a plug and play. And you know what even better is? This headlight is DOT approved. So this one is street legal. So you don't have to worry about troubles with the police or anything like that. This one is street legal, and that's why I also bought this headlight. Instead of making a install video, I just want to show you how it actually is riding with this headlight in the night. Let's have a quick ride. So yeah, I want to show you guys how it is riding in the night. And like I said, it is a little bit misty right now, and it is even better to really compare it with the old headlight. I don't have made a video riding with the old headlight in the night, but I can't tell you that this headlight is really bright and it really stands out on the road. Like I said, for safety reasons, and that's why I also have this rain jacket on. This also serves as a reflective jacket, so that's a really good thing about this rain jacket. Rain jackets keep the warmth, so that's also really cool. Right now I take a road in the middle of nowhere. I take the back road right now. You can't see it, but it is really a little bit misty, and you can see that this headlight is really bright. So I'm very happy about the results of this headlight, how it performs. This is really cool. So yeah, you can't really see the difference with the old headlight. This one is really bright, so it really stands out on the road. That's really cool. Look at it. So right now it is misty, a little bit, not too much, but it really stands out. So that is very important for, like I said, for myself as a motorcyclist. This headlight really performs really Dankjewel. My toes right now on my fingers. I think I have to put the handguards back on the handlebars. So I hope you guys still riding this year, at this moment right now in January, because the weather is not that quite cold, but right now in the night it's really cold. But normally in January in the Netherlands it is very cold. Last week, a few days ago, it snowed badly, and that was actually the first snow since 2022, I think. The first really heavy snow since 2023. So this is also nice when you're riding in the night. Just clear your head and think a little bit easy today, you know. So that's why I also love riding in the night. So clear your head and just think it easy after working, or I don't know what the hell you did this day. Anyways, this is really cool to ride in the night. You can't really see that I have to adjust the headlight a little bit because it's facing a little bit too much to the ground, and I can't really see the road in a distance. Look, you see that? It's facing a little bit too much to the ground, so it has to. So yeah, that's really bright, really bright. So it does really stand out. It does really stand out on the road. I'm very happy about this. That looks really good. That is really good. It's a really game changer about safety as a motorcyclist, and not only for myself but for other people on the road. So everyone can see me on the road. So yeah, look at it. It is really cold right now. I really do love this headlight. So people are passing by on the road and they think, what an idiot. Why is he standing alone in the middle of nowhere in the night here? Because, yeah, I don't know. Because I want to make a video about this cool headlight. This is really cool. It really stands out. And I think the range of this headlight, it sticks more out on the road. So that's also a really good thing, that it really sticks a little bit more out, so you can see more on the side of the road. So that's also really important. But like I said, I have to adjust the headlight a little bit, but because it's facing a little bit too much to the ground. So let me put the camera right here so you can't really see how it looks like. So yeah, that's really cool. I really love it. And also, just hear this exhaust. Look, just listen. F***ing hell. F***ing hell. Hope it doesn't. Hope it's not broken. No, it's still good. What the fuck is happening right now? Oh, anyways. so more cars are passing by. People really think that I have a breakdown with my bike, but that isn't in this case. My hands are very cold. So anyways, it is freaking cold right now at the moment. I can't really feel my toes right now. My fingers are a little bit, I don't know. So yeah, I really do love this headlight. It looks and it performs really well. I'm very happy and very happy that I bought this headlight. I have thinking a lot to actually buy this headlight, so it's not a very cheap headlight. So I paid almost, what was it? Was 600 euros. So yeah, anyways, it looks very cool, good. So just to make sure, I have to adjust it a little bit because it faces too much to the ground. So I have to straighten this headlight a little bit to see more in the distance, especially when I have to ride in the night. So I can't really see the road on a distance. So that's also very important to adjust it, because right now I'm actually glad what I have to adjust. So like I said, in this case the headlight face a little bit too much to the ground, so I have to straighten this headlight a little bit. So yeah, it does really stands out on the road. It looks good, it looks aggressive, but at the same time it looks very subtle with the fairing. I think the fairing looks way better with this headlight. Also very happy that I bought this rain jacket. Like I said, this is a rain jacket, but it also serves as a reflective jacket. So, and especially in night riding, this is very important to have, to stand out. People can see you. It's not only for myself, but for other people on the road. So yeah, safety is rule number one. And people, please just put your bike on the charger, because in these days, in the colder days, you may have getting problems to start your bike. So if you are not riding, especially in cold days, please put your bike on the charger. It's better. Handle with care, with love. Yeah, that's freaking hot. The engine. Come on, you. Why is this so freaking difficult? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it helps me grow the channel, and especially I have, like I said in my previous video, I switched my channel from a Dutch speaking channel to a English speaking channel. So in this way I can reach a bigger audience around the world, so people actually understand what I'm saying, to help to understand the channel a little bit better. So please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the channel, share the video, I don't know. It really helps me grow the channel, and I really do appreciate that, all of you viewers. So yeah, thank you very much. And rule number one, be safe on the road.